Welcome to Pronto for Google Docs. Today, we'll walk you through how to install the Pronto Chrome extension. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, type Chrome Web Store in the address bar and press Enter. In the Chrome Web Store, find the search bar and type Scribo Pronto. Then, click on the extension from the search results. Now, click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm installation. Once installed, you'll see the Pronto icon in your Google Doc. When you click on the Pronto icon, a pop-up window will appear. Sign in using your Google account, click Continue, then click Allow to authorize the installation of the extension. That's it. You're now ready to use Pronto to enhance your grading and feedback experience. Check out the next video to learn how to use Pronto in your classroom. Thanks for watching.